welcome back to Rumah Baruso. Today we will make a special dish and this is called as black fried rice. The ingredient that we need to make black fried rice is here. This is black squid stir fry, and if you want to know the recipe you can check to our previous video, because I have explained there. And then 2 to 3 portions of rice, sliced carrots, and also here I add more shallot and onion and garlic, and also here I have lemongrass that I will slices, and then leek, and here is kaffir lime leaves. This is what's special, and because it makes the taste and the flavor will be special. Okay, let's start. Just slice the lemongrass here. Everything is only in slices. Okay, we will cook and then I'll put like around 3 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. Okay, I'll put first the shallot and onion. Okay, after the garlic and shallot will be golden brown, I put inside everything, the lemongrass, the kaffir lime leaves, and also the leeks. And then after this I will put the carrot. So okay, now this is our black squid stir fry. Whoa. Okay, after the juice in the black squid stir fry is reduced, here will be dry. Then I will put the rice. And then stir it. The smell is really nice here. Okay, a tip for you if you want to make fried rice. You have to make sure the steamed rice is cold, in a not in a warm or hot. It must be cold, so it will make the taste better and the texture is also better. And the other tips will be for fried rice, you will need a little bit more oil because you have to stir it and fry it like this. It needs more oil to make it not stick to the pan. Okay, now it's time to season the fried rice. Actually, the black squid stir fry, it already has taste like with the salt and mushroom boiling, but for fried rice you will need more flavor, more salt. But here I will use, because it's not salty enough, I will use soy sauce. And remember, for fried rice, don't put a lot of salt, because it will make the taste not really good. And And what I always use is mushroom boiling to make the taste even better. If you want to know the taste, then you can taste it a little bit and then correct it. Like if it's not salty enough, you can put more soy sauce. Okay, now it's almost ready. How do you know it? If the texture of the rice is soft enough and not dry, still moisture with the oil, and you can taste this a little bit. The taste is really it's soft enough, so means that your fried rice is ready. And I have tasted this, and the taste is really nice. Okay, we will do plating after this. So this is our black fried rice. As you can see here, the squid and the rice, and usually it goes with a sunny side up egg and also with other side dish. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna have a try. And squid, it's so yummy. You better try this. The taste of lemongrass and also the kaffir lime leaves is really nice. Okay, that's the recipe for today. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again in another unique recipe. Stay tuned in Rumah BARUSO. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe. Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye. Selamat mencoba.